Hey, what's up, WazirX Holder? So what's going on? Today video is going very special for WazirX Holder because the WazirX coin has completely falls down. Therefore, a lot of WazirX coin tell me to please make a special video for WazirX 2. They're going up in upcoming days or they falls down. What's the target of WazirX Holder and what's new in upcoming days? They are moving in the they are going in the moon or not, my friends. Please, so everything I explained in this video and what's my opinion to sell, hold or buy. So everything is very important, my friend. So let's start the brand video, my friend. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel if you are new. Please, if you are new, my brother, you are my friend. Please subscribe and keep touch with us, my friend. If you can see here in the last 7 days, oh my goodness, my friend. You can see here this time they completely urgent chart. You can see here, so please don't skip. Okay, this time you can see here, my friend, after a fails they take a jump, and after a fails they take again jump, and after a fails they take a very small jump. You can see here this condition they're going on. They're going on, but this time you can see here they very high jump. They take a very high jump, and they also fails down very highly, my friend. So I hope in upcoming days they're going up. You can see here in this circulation, absolutely after a jump they take a very high a very jump, my friend. After a dump they take a very high jump. So I hope in upcoming days WazirX coin is good for our WazirX holder, and they make you millionaire. They give you very good profit. So thanks for watching. Please like video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.